Stop opening the task manager every time when the app freezes. Windows 11 has a much faster way to terminate that process. So here is it. Step number 1. Press the Windows plus I key together and this will open the settings app. Then click on the system tab. Then scroll down. Click on the advanced tab. And here is the option and task. Simply enable this option. Check this box. Then close this slide. And here is the notepad slide, and you just need to right click on this notepad icon, then click on the end task tab, and boom. Now whenever the app freezes, you just need to right click its taskbar icon and tab and task and done. But wait, before I sign out, if this tutorial helps you, do not forget to like, comment, share and follow my channel. Thanks for watching.